which cooking oil is best? Universal oil. So,
There is no such universal oil. People are accustomed to various types of oils depending upon their locality and their availability. In coastal Karnataka and Kerala, the people use a lot of coconut oil, and in northern India it is mustard oil, and rest of the other part of India it is groundnut oil, and even in Tamil Nadu they use it gingerly oil, something like that. And now, of course, on the roadside and everywhere, and the hotels and all those things, it's palm oil and sunflower oil. Whatever the oil is available, everything is being used. There is no such called which is best, which is. But the very thing is, we also have in the market the rice bran oil, cottonseed oil, and kusumba taila. There's so many things oils are there. But to be clear, taila means when a dhanya or a oil seed is been pressed without any heating, simply pressed, should yield an oil. Such thing is known as oil. So anything which gives you on cold press oil extraction, only those are considered as oil. So in that you will get coconut oil, tilataila, groundnut, and these are things will come. And these are the things which are oils to be accepted. And depending upon the availability and the locality where we live, and we are accustomed to certain type of oils from the very beginning, by eating those things only we are grown up, and depending upon such type of things we need to select. But otherwise, Acharya says which is the best oil. According to Acharya, it is gingerly. Tila Taila is the best one.
there is some misconception that sesame oil is used only for herbal oils and it is not for cooking and it is not meant for oral consumption. But it's not so, sir. Sesame oil.
It is not true. It is not true. Many part of Tamil Nadu people they use it when cooking media. And away in the market, it is a edible grade tilataila, that is gingerly oil is available. Even I use the same edible oil gingerly taila for my hair oil for the proportion 3:1. I use in that one portion of tilataila. I take it from Tilnad. It is from the very edible grade of oil.
Like while we were discussing regarding the varieties of grams like horse gram, etc., green gram, etc., you guided us that probably have the main gram which your granny uses, and also it's okay or it's good habit to try a few other grams also, maybe once or twice a week. Similarly, is it a good idea that in the cooking oil also we have our grandmother's oil as the base oil and try different oils maybe once or twice a week so that our Agni is kind of accustomed to it?
Definitely. See, all those, even trying with a mustard oil or a gingerly oil or even a groundnut oil or a coconut oil doesn't make you any bad effect on the body. Definitely, it will going to help you. But once in a while, but we are accustomed to one type of things, basically from where we are grown and from which places we belong to. We have our own traditions and for eating and understanding, and you're accustomed to that. So it is better that we need to go for a particular type of oils. But there are cold pressed virgin oils. They are comparatively costlier in the market, and that we need to understand that.